Hi everybody, welcome back to another instalment on Lee Baker's 1293 build. In this episode I'm going to be just checking around the block, checking the threads, removing the core plugs and removing the all gallery plugs, and then the block will be ready to go down to the machine shop for its rebore, new cam bearings and such and so on. Okay, the first job I'm going to do is re-tap or chase the threads on these two holes here, which is for the dog bone stabiliser on the side of the block, on the oil pump side. Lee was a bit worried that one of the threads might have been a bit cross-threaded, or it didn't feel right when he took the engine out. So I'm just going to get my 5/16 UNF tap and just chase the threads to make sure they're okay. Well, that one's going in all right. Must be the other one that he was thinking of. Try the other one. No, it seems to be going in all right as well, no problem. Yeah, nothing wrong with those. I'll just try it with a bolt just to make sure, but I'm sure that'll be fine. Just get just a random 5/16 UNF bolt. Yeah, it's going in all right. Try it in the other one. Yeah, that's fine, nothing wrong with those. Okay, next job, all gallery plugs, I think. Right, I've done this all gallery plug. I need to do this one now. What I've done, I've drilled a hole in the centre and wound a tap in there. Now what I'm going to try and do is lever it out using mould grips. That's how I did that one, but that one came out quite easy. So we'll see how we get on with this one. That's just sliding up. Would help with the grips running good. Right, let's try. There you go. All do I do now is wind that off and I'll do the other side. Okay, what I'm going to do now that these two are out, get a long bar, obviously that's long enough to reach the gallery plugs on the other side. Put the bar in so it's just touching the back of the gallery plug on the other side of the block. And there you go, gallery plugs removed. Okay, the next job is to remove the core plugs. Get a drift or a punch like that. Now you need to get it on one side of the plug and basically just whack it in. And you'll see it start to spin round like that. And what you do, get a pair of pliers, pull it out. And I'll just repeat that with the others. I'll do this one, then I'll have to take it off the stand because I can't get to the front ones. But once it's off the stand, I'll knock them ones out as well. So I hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll catch you on the next one.